गोयची पारंपरिक नुस्तेमारी बरीच फामाद आसा। अजून कांय लोक पारंपरिक पद्धतीन नुस्तेमारी करतात। देखून हाची माहिती नवे पिळगेक मेळपाक जाय। मुंबईच्या शाळेंतले कांय विद्यार्थी शेतकी भोंवडेर आयिल्ले। तांकां बाणावली दर्यादेगेर पारंपरिक नुस्तेमारी दाखयली। मुंबईच्या शाळेंतल्या विद्यार्थ्यांक बाणावली दर्यादेगेर नुस्तेमारींचे पारंपरिक रूप दाखयले। गोयच्या शाळकरी भुरग्यांनी येवन हे पारंपरिक नुस्तेमारी पळोवची असो पेले फेर्नांडीसान उलो मारला। गोंयांतल्या वेगवेगळ्या नुस्त्याची माहिती तांणी दिली। पळयात पुराय बातमी।
In Konkani called kuli, English is crab. Can you show here? Yes sir, every day is a good day again. Life is good. What you put in fish? Omelette. Huh? This is a very tasty fish. Silver fish. This is my favorite fish. In English called silver fish. In Konkani called Shilhap. Can you show here? Shilhap. Very tasty, my favorite. Kali udo galpache, hodi pit galpato ani sanga pit gal. Tapa tap kon jewana teje ko how. Chorom. Chorom is a wooden piece, so using boat to pull for us is easy. But I want to tell this student what is called pante. Pante means bucket. Zaad means net. So this is good things, no? I like this idea.
This is the first time we've actually planned a trip to Goa from Jishuvan School, Mumbai, and we've experienced this fishing activity for the first time. Even during my college excursions, even after taking fisheries as the applied component, I couldn't experience such a beautiful traditional fishing which I saw just now.
Today we are here with Pele sir and his team. We started with the motto, every day is a good day. Now my friend V. Srivastava will tell you about the process.
The whole thing was a thing. The whole fishing process was filled with fun and excitement. First, the way we pushed the boat inside, it required a lot of energy, and it also boosted us up for the remaining of the day. Then we saw the process of laying the net in a semicircle, and then how the Pelesa's team, including a few of us, with helping hands, how we caught the fishes and brought them inside, trapping them in a circle, and finally we could see all the different fishes we caught, like the catfish and crabs, etc.
We also found Goa's state fish. Isn't that amazing? There were a lot of fishes we found, including a jellyfish. Overall, this was an amazing experience for us. Being Mumbaikars, we saw fishing here in Goa in a unique style.
GOA365 खातीर रमेश नायक रावत, मनीषा जाधव आणि निखिल जल्मी।